When the state places a child in foster care with a foster family, they have an obligation and a duty to protect them. And we've fought with the state over situations that should have been prevented. Very clear red flags were missed. They were not doing the appropriate home visits. They weren't ensuring that background checks were being done on all the foster parents and all the people living in the home. If you were placed in foster care and you were sexually abused, the state failed you, and we can hold them accountable. We know trauma impacts the memory, and sexual abuse is the worst kind of trauma anyone can go through. So we know, science tells us that our memories are not going to be perfect, but you know it wasn't right. We know it wasn't right. It's okay if you don't remember every home that you stayed in. That's okay, that's normal. What's not normal is being abused, and that's not okay. And so if that happened to you, we would encourage you to reach out. We know that when you turn 18, you'll be out of foster care, and you've been working to survive and to acclimate and just to get through every day. And you may have been abused, whether it was your last home or one some time ago. Know that you can reach out, whether it's been a week, whether it's been a month, whether it's been decades. We're here to help. Each and every case is different. What we will do is ensure that it's thoroughly investigated. We're going to look to make sure that your social worker was meeting with you, that all the people you were placed with were vetted, and that you were placed in appropriate, safe homes. And if you weren't, then absolutely we can hold the state accountable for your abuse. When you meet with us, when you give us a call, know that there are no attorney's fees and no cost for a consultation. With all the victims we represent, we work on a contingency fee basis. That means there are no attorney's fees on an ongoing basis. You only will have attorney's fees if we recover. I bring a personal, unique experience and just absolute passion to these cases. I am a foster parent. My wife and I and my children take in foster children, and we do everything we can to provide them with a loving home. Under no circumstances should any child placed in foster care be hurt or abused or exploited. And if that happens or has happened to you, we're going to be here to help. We're going to be here to answer your questions, and ultimately we'll do everything we can to provide you justice.